Hello traders, welcome back to today's Forex Geek video on Vex Gold EA for MetaTrader 5 and is listed on MPO5 markets by Lars Mens from Belgium. Focus specifically on the Gold USD, as you can see, Gold USD on the M15 time frame with its price sitting at $249 on promo right now, with options to rent for 1 month at $229 and 3 months at $199. No, we are using the free demo for our backtest. Before we go to the backtest, let's walk through what the developer is actually saying on the product page so you can decide if it's worth a closer look or your money. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now first up, the core claim. The developer is very clear. This is a plain price action EA that you can test and verify yourself. There are no AI, no machine learning, no neural networks, nothing quantum. He positions it as something you can test and verify yourself. The EA places pending orders on selected gold setup, one position at a time, with a predefined stop loss and take profits on every trade. After the position is open, it uses internal trade management logic to trail the stop. Now it doesn't use martingale, no grid recovery is involved also, and the developer keeps stressing on that point. Let's see. Now on the live side, he links a couple of signals. Let's look at the black bull. At the time of writing, it's showing 29% growth over about 4 to 5 months, a relatively low drawdown figure, and a high win rate in the 70s, as you can see. Average holding time on the signal is under a minute. It also mentions a higher risk version of the same logic. Now we look at this one, growth 19%, 90% trade. And you can go through the signals, as you can see, Black Bull and Vantage on your own free time. It also has a Telegram channel. And let's push through. It pushes the pop firm mode pretty hard in the newer versions, and there's an optional switch that adds an adjustable pop style risk. There's equity loss limits with a safety buffer, and a projected stop loss check before any pending order is placed. It only cancels its own pending orders and never force closes open trades. When the mode is off or disabled, the original standard logic mode stays the same. Although he does note that you need to check with your prop firm whether commercial EAs are allowed. Now let's go to recommended startups so we can look at the backtest results. Now we have a trading pair Gold USD M15 time frame with a raw or ESCA spread account being a must. Minimum balance of $200 and only one position should be open at a time. Now minimum leverage 1:100, and he also has a note about minimum lot size of 0.01 lot and so on. Now he has a note if you are going live, but since we are using the demo version, I'm going to ignore this and look at his backtest results. As you can see, no grid, no martingale. Official growth, official live signal 26.69% growth. As you can see, Initial deposit 500, total net profit 32,000. Balance drawdown 5%, equity drawdown 5%, profit factor of 9, and recovery factor of 24.05. Now let's compare that with our backtest results. You can see I tested this on Gold USD M15 from July 2025 to July 2026 using every tick based on real tick. My 10k starting deposit with a 1:100 leverage for this backtest. Now over that period, it produced the net profit of $12,000, gross profit of 19,000, with gross loss of $6,000, approximately $7,000. That's a profit factor of 2.89 and recovery factor of 6.53. Going back to the developer's own claim. Now let's go to this one, 9.03 and 24. And we compare that to ours, you can see ours is very much lower. The lower starting balance still much lower. Drawdown 8.44 for balance drawdown and 9.36 for equity drawdown. Not bad. Our largest loss, but just over $1,750. Looking at the equity curve, it's a reasonable steady upward climb with a couple of noticeable dips like over here. Yeah, yeah. You can basically count them on your fingers. One deeper mid period and a few smaller pullbacks were recovered and finished near the high of the range at 23,000. Compared with the live signal numbers, the developer shows the backtest drawdown is higher and the sample is longer. Let's see here. The live signals so far have been shorter and have benefited from specific market conditions of the past few months. A few things that actually matter in practice: broker conditions are critical, and this thing lives or dies on tight spreads and clean fills because entries are pending stops and management is active. Now, honestly, the developer is more transparent than most about the no greed, no martingale stance, and about broker dependency, as we see here. Now, who is this actually for? Traders already understand gold breakouts on proper raw ECN accounts and can handle 8 to 10% drawdown periods and want a single position system with optional prop controls will find it suitable. If you are looking for smooth monthly returns every month or you are stuck with high spreads, this probably isn't the right fit for you. Start conservative, test on your own broker first, and treat it as one tool rather than a set and forget solution. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment with the next area you want me to dig into. And don't forget to grab that free robot in the description. It's got a solid set of indicators and candlestick patterns ready to go for both M4 and MT5. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Trade safe.